everyone, it's Holger again with IZ Network channel. In this video, I'm gonna do unboxing for a new cryptocurrency wallet, SecuX. SecuX recently has a lot of cryptocurrency wallet, which is very popular and very trending at this moment. The version I have is V20, and there's a W20 and W10. This is the latest version that I have right now. So it's very trendy and it's very popular because of there's a lot of features like a great protection, like you have a private key and P against potential risk. You have Bluetooth and USB connectivity at the same time. You have a really solid design. So you will see more in this video when I unbox this box. And you have a large 2.8-inch colorful touch screen, so you can control it, which is really user-friendly, I think. And it's a cross-platform compatible with like a Mac, Windows, or Android, or any iOS, or any platform that you want to use. And one of the things that I really love it about this cryptocurrency wallet is like you have more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies that you can store and you can use it, like a Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, or any cryptocurrencies you want, like the most popular ones, like more than 1,000. So you can use it and store it using this one. So let's jump in and let's see what's inside this box. Alright guys, as you see the box, which is SecuX V20 cryptocurrency wallet, and in the back of the box you see all the features and all the things that's compatible with. So let's open it and see what's inside. I'm very excited because this is one of the cryptocurrencies wallets that I wanted to have it in my list. I have others like a Trader, Ledger wallet, and this is one of them that's very different and very user friendly. I wanted to have it in my list, so that's why I'm very excited about this. So yeah, you need to open it from the both sides. When you open it, just pull it, and yes, you can open it from this side. Wow. So as you see right here, you will see the really solid design, which is I really love it. I really love the shape, and with the, oh my gosh, which the SecuX logo in the back, and there's only one button at the top to turn off and turn on this cryptocurrency wallet. And let's see what else inside. Oh, there's a bag with a SecuX logo on it, and there's a USB to plug it. There's a bunch of instruction, this is an instruction how you use the pin and all of this kind of stuff. And there's a long instruction how to download and how to set up the wallet. I'm trying to, in the next video, to explain how to do all this stuff. In this video, I'm going to just show you what's inside the boxes and what you will need to expect when you buy it. And you have two recovery sheet, which is really important. As you see right here is a recovery sheet. You can save your 24 phrases, phrase words here. Like you have two of them, and each of them has a 24 line, so you can save it in case you lost your wallet, and you can recover it from this 24. So basically what you have is the wallet itself, two sheet of the phrase sheet, and a guide how to use the pin, and a USB and and back to save your crypto wallet. So that's it for this video, guys. Please check out my other videos about unboxing and cryptocurrency, and in the next video I'm gonna show you how to use this SecuX V20 and how to use it from the beginning, and how to connect to your phone and to Android and iOS at the same time. Yeah, so if you want to get the SecuX, so I'm gonna put discount code so you can get a 15% for V20, and W10 and W20 you can get 10% from each of them. So use my discount code if you are interested to get one of the SecuX cryptocurrencies, and you can use it whenever you want, because one of the things that differentiate this wallet from other wallet is you have a Bluetooth connectivity and you have a long power that you can use it for more than 6 hours for a single charge. Alright everyone, that's all for today's videos. In the next video I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna teach you how to use SecuX V20 cryptocurrency wallet, and I will try to make and explain in the video step by step. I hope you liked my videos. Please subscribe my channel, and please share my videos with your friends to get more subscribers. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you guys.